Welcome back, you filthy DeFi degenerates. It's a new week and that means a update to the bot portfolio. Let's get this crypto. So yeah, this week we have added some projects and we have removed one project. You probably already know what project I have removed. You basically can't ignore, the news about that project and what happened to it. But yeah, in this series we are going over my favorite passive income bot projects and seeing how they have performed over time. Before we jump into all of that good stuff, I just quickly want to mention, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please hit that subscribe button, like the video, leave me a comment, check out my website, we have exclusive merch, plus links to all of the projects that I'm invested in, so make sure you check that out as well, and check out my Telegram group. That's the best place to get a hold of me if you got any questions. Okay, let's jump right into the video. Okay, so the first project that we are going to look at is Prosperity Gem Mining. This project was previously called Crypto Gem Trading, but unfortunately the CEO and founder did not set up a trading license for the company, so they had to start a new one, which they decided to call Prosperity Gem Mining instead, as for this one they are only doing mining, so that way they won't have the federal agencies kicking down their door. If you were invested in crypto gem trading, you should be getting your refund today on November 25th. So you should be getting your refund today before 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I haven't gotten my refund yet, but hopefully they will send it to me today. If not, the founder said that they will set up some kind of form which you can fill in, and that way even the people who didn't get refunded today, maybe you wrote the wrong email address or something, you fill in that form and everything should be handled. Okay, so Prosperity Gem Mining, this one is paying out 2% daily ROI and it's on the Tron network. So quickly, if you don't know how to set up a Tron wallet, I will go through it now very quickly. It should only take about 30 seconds. You download the official Tron Link app from the Google Web Store. Link is in the description. You set up your Tron Link wallet. It explains everything in a step-by-step guide when you install it to your Chrome or Brave browser. Fund your Tron Link wallet with at least $20 worth of Tron for gas fees and 100 USDT to invest into Prosperity Gem Mining. And lastly, you fill in the agreement form that pops up on Prosperity Gem Mining's website and deposit using the sponsor address in the description box down below. Let's get this crypto. If that was too complicated to you, don't you ever talk to me again. So, Prosperity Gem Mining is right now offering 2% daily ROI, but this percentage will reduce over time, so if you want that 2% daily ROI, you better be quick. Next up we have automated USDT Capital. So this is a similar project, 2% daily ROI, but this one is on the Binance Smart Chain, which I like a lot, because Binance Smart Chain is basically the chain that I use most of the time. So as we can see, I only have 50 USDT deposited, and what I will do now is deposit another 50. So let's do that. Deposit. Confirm. Hey, bada bing, bada boom. So yeah, for both of these I'm basically just compounding. For automated USDT Capital, I'm letting this build up to 50 USDT. I'm gonna withdraw that and re-deposit it. My plan is to compound my deposit up to at least 500 USDT, and I'm basically doing the same for Prosperity Gem Mining. Let's get this crypto. Next up we have Optimus version 3. This one is on Polygon, and if we head over here to my account, so this one is paying out 1% daily, and as you can see I got about 859 tokens worth 1,314 USD. Pretty goddamn insane to think that this started off with a investment of $80. So yeah, pretty goddamn insane, and I have already sold like half of my position. Crazy. Anyway, I should probably make a separate video on this project, but I'm just gonna explain my strategy and thinking in this video quickly instead. So this is the short for Optimus, and as you can see, it's pretty goddamn solid. This massive sell-off right here is when stable fund froze their staking. So as you can see, a lot of people, sold off Optimus because I guess they got scared. And what happened? People immediately bought it back up. Plus, this is also, the bot working. So yeah, basically, when I saw this short, it got me thinking that most likely, now that stable fund is gone, this will become, the new stable fund. Because, stable fund was really having some momentum going. They had a huge amount of new investors that came in the past 2 months. And now that they froze the staking, all of that momentum is gone. And what I'm betting on, this is not financial advice, this is my own opinion. All of this momentum and all of the capital, has to go somewhere else. So I'm betting that it will go into Optimus. Because Optimus lets you withdraw at any time, 0 taxes, no lockup period. So in my head, this is the safer alternative, and people will start to realize that. And I believe that we will see massive amounts of capital rush into this project. And that's why I am starting to DCA. My goal is to get up to 10,000. And why specifically 10,000? Well, 1% of 10,000 is $100, so I would be making $100 every day. I can live comfortably off that. But basically, for me, it's more of a mental shift, I don't know really how to explain it, but I don't see it like I have $10,000 invested into this. As I'm seeing it, I'm making $100 a day. So at this moment in time, I don't see 1,300 because I don't think I would ever sell my whole position. What I'm seeing instead is this earn per day, $13.15. How I see this, if I throw $100 more into this, my position would be worth 1,400. I would be making $14 a day, meaning I would get back my investment in about 7 days or so. So to me, this is a no-brainer. Anyway, I don't want to ramble on much longer. Let's move on. If you're still watching this video, hey man, you are the real OG. Most of the people have already tuned out, and that is why they are still broke. Broke boys. So if you're still watching, you are part of the 1%, so hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and leave me a comment. Show me that you like me. Next up we have Hedge Fund AI and their NG trading bot. Word to my dad, this is the best kept secret in DeFi. It's a trading bot fully hosted on Telegram. It lets you earn 0.715% daily, and if we have a look right here, these are the tokens that they let you earn on. So yeah, basically this is a pretty exclusive project. They don't just let anyone into this anymore. Basically how Stable Fund was before they went, mass market. Only a few people using this, and you will have to do a KYC. So if you are interested in this project, hit me up, I can help you with the KYC. And also it costs about $55 a month. Now, fortunately, I'm an influencer, so I don't need to pay this. And if you want to get hooked up, hey, hit me up, I can get you in for free. But don't tell anyone though, don't tell anyone. But yeah, I'm basically just gonna leave it at that. And lastly, we have Stable Fund. You most likely already know what happened. They froze all of the funds, or basically they froze the staking. So you are not able to withdraw your earnings, your deposit. There will be an option on the Stable Fund website in the coming days where you will be able to either withdraw your deposit or choose to stake it in the version 2. Very sad to see this go. Basically one of the best performing DeFi projects for the last 6 months, and not much that I can say, They had a emergency AMA yesterday in their official Stable Fund Telegram group. I have uploaded that AMA to my YouTube channel, and it is very important that you go and listen to it. Michael, the CEO, explains everything. It will be linked on the screen right now, so go over there and listen to it. So click the link and listen to the entire AMA. I will most likely be choosing the option to stake in the version 2 instead. If you have been watching my YouTube channel for a while now, it should be quite obvious that I don't suck dick. I have been pretty vocal about not liking that they have been banning people from their Telegram group, but I have also been very vocal that this is one of my favorite projects. So yeah, hopefully they let me stake in version 2, because they will only let in loyal customers. So hopefully they will let me in and Michael won't have me killed. Yeah, fucking sucks, dude. I'm basically regarding my money as lost right now, hoping for the best, preparing for the worst, but I guess we'll just have to wait and see. So this is the Excel document tracking all of my bot investments, or it's the first page of it. I have not had time to finish it yet. I know in the last video I said that it should be finished this week. Well, it's not. Basically, I have been really fucking busy this last week. Basically from when I open my eyes in the morning until I close them at night, I'm working on something, some bullshit, and I'm over it. Anyway, I will get this done. It's just not on top of my priority list right now. I got a lot more important stuff that I need to get done with work. Yeah, I showed you the compound calculator in last week's episode, and if you want, you know, the basics that I can offer right now, you can hit me up on Telegram and I will send you the Excel template. But yeah, enough of the rambling. This is what we are going to do now. So stable fund, we are going to delete, and we are going to delete this. Oh, so that took a lot away from our total weekly dividend income. Not fun. And that's pretty much it for the video. I want to thank you all for watching. Hopefully this video isn't too long, and also hopefully you didn't lose too much money in stable fund. Really freaking sucky situation. So yeah, that's why it's always important to do your own research. Never invest more money than you can afford to lose. Don't just do what I'm doing, or like any of the other YouTubers that you follow. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, leave me a comment, check out my website, check out my Telegram group, all of that good stuff. But most importantly, let's get this crypto. Ciao.